You've been training hard, eating clean, but your abs are still hiding. Sounds familiar. What if I told you you can start seeing your abs in weeks, even if you're not skinny, even if you failed before and no matter your body type? Today I'm going to give you the exact science-backed plan to get visible abs fast, without starving yourself or spending hours doing crunches. Stay tuned because step 2 will change the game for you. Welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for building a strong, lean and aesthetic body. I've had thousands of people transform their midsection, and in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what you need to do and what you absolutely must avoid to rebuild your abs quickly. Section 1. The truth about abs. First, let's kill a myth. You already have abs. Yes, every human has abdominal muscle. The only reason they are not visible is because they are covered by a layer of fat. Visible abs are 80% about lowering body fat and 20% about training the right way. You could do 500 crunches a day, but if your body fat is high, you will never see them. Men generally need to be around 10 to 14% body fat, women around 16 to 20% for abs to show. But don't worry, you don't have to look like a dehydrated bodybuilder. You can have a healthy, athletic level of abs visibility. Section 2. Step 1. Nutrition for fast fat loss. Calorie deficit. You must eat fewer calories than you burn. This is the golden rule. How to find your calorie goal? Multiply your weight in pounds by 12 for fat loss calories. Example, 180 pounds into 12 equal to 2160 calories per day. Micronutrient for abs. Protein, 1 gram per pound of body weight. Fats, 20 to 30% of your calories. Carbs fill the rest for energy and recovery. Avoid sugary drinks, processed snacks, and excessive alcohol. Abs are made in the kitchen, but they're rebuilt in the gym. Section 3. Step 2. The right training plan. Compound lifts first. Squats, deadlifts, bench press, and pull-ups. These burn more calories and strengthen your core. Direct ab training. 3 to 4 times per week. Hanging leg raises. 3 set. 12 to 15 reps. Cable crunches. 3 set. 12 to 15 reps. Plank variation. 3 set for 30 to 60 seconds. Abs rollout. 3 set 10 to 12 reps. Why this works? Your abs have fast-twitch fibers, so they respond best to resistance and progressive overload, not just endless reps. Section 4. Step 3. Cardio for stubborn fat. HIIT. High Intensity Interval Training. 20-second all-out sprint, 40-second work into 10 rounds. Do 2 to 3 times per week. LISS. Low Intensity Steady States. 30 to 45 minute work after workouts or in the morning. Mixing both helps burn calories while preserving muscles. Section 5. Step 4. Recovery and lifestyle. Sleep 7 to 9 hours per night. Boost fat burning hormones. Stress. High cortisol equals more belly fat. Reduce stress with meditation and stretching or hobbies. Water. 3 to 5 liters per day for optimal digestion and muscle performance. Consistency. Visible abs are a side effect of discipline. Section 6. No matter your body type. Ectomorph. Naturally skinny. Eat in a slight surplus while training abs to build muscle thickness. Mesomorph. Naturally athletic. Moderate calorie deficit with balanced training. Endomorph. Gain fat easily. Larger calorie deficit. More cardio season. Higher protein. There you have it, the fastest, more realistic way to get visible abs, no matter your body type. Remember, it's not about killing yourself with crunches. It's about a smart nutrition, a strategic training, and consistency. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more fitness update.